Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, an Indian engineering behemoth. Realizing the vision of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, treading the path of progress, growing by leaps and bounds year after year, spreading its wings far and wide, BHEL, an engineering giant, is today at the forefront of the country's race towards progress. BHEL manufactures over 180 products under 30 major product groups, 14 manufacturing units, 4 power sector regional centers, 8 service centers, 18 regional offices, cutting-edge technology, pioneering efforts in engineering, research and development, world-class facilities, besides a highly skilled and dedicated manpower, have successfully transformed BHEL into a Navaratna company, relentlessly striving to enhance stakeholder value. BHEL products serve core sectors of the economy: power generation, transmission, distribution, industry, transportation, oil and gas, non-conventional energy, and defense. BHEL products and systems have a strong presence not just in India, but in around 70 countries, acclaimed worldwide for its technical competence. Ancient Indian philosophy postulates that the whole universe is created out of Panchabhutas. The art of using Panchabhutas is what we do here at BHEL in making ceramic products for over 75 years at Ceramic Business Unit headquartered at Bangalore. Towards ceramics journey at BHEL, Electro-Porcelains Division Unit was started in 1932 by the then Mysore State Province. Insulator plant at Jagdishpur was set up in 1984, making BHEL one of the largest insulator manufacturers in the country, with a capacity of more than 12,000 tons. Electro-porcelain insulators at BHEL comprise disc insulators in unit ratings of 45 kN to 420 kN EMS, used in HV and EHV AC transmission lines of 66 kV to 765 kV, 500 kV HVDC transmission lines, hollow insulators for power equipment like transformers, circuit breakers, and electrostatic precipitators suiting to voltage classes of 11 kV to 765 kV. Solid core insulators for electric substation of 66 kV to 400 kV ratings. Let us now take you around our shop floor, where the art of processing the Panchabhutas is being perfected. Raw materials used for insulators are mixed and wet ground in ball mills. The resulting slurry is pumped to the filter press for dewatering. The cakes released are fed into de-airing pug mills to obtain a homogeneous mass. Disc insulators are made by the jiggering process, while hollow and station post insulators are formed by turning the blanks in numerically controlled lathes to get the required contour. Drying is done in humidity-controlled drying chambers. Insulators are glazed based on desired glaze type, either brown color or grey color. Identification marks are stamped and grog applied in areas needing assembly with metal parts. Disc insulators are fired in continuous kilns, while hollow and solid core insulators are fired in batch kilns or shuttle kilns. Environmental-friendly LPG and RLNG are used as the fuel to attain required firing temperature. Insulators are assembled with caps and ball pin using mortar. Higher rating hollow insulators are made by joining 2 or more pieces using epoxy. Hollow and solid core insulators are assembled with metal flanges and are steam cured. BHEL's strict adherence to quality at raw material, process and final product stages is ensured by state-of-the-art ceramic laboratory. Routine tests are conducted as per defined standards. Disc insulator strings are subjected to type tests as per IS and IEC standards. Power arc test. Steep front wave, Corona and RIV. Testing is done at in-house high voltage laboratories at Bangalore and Bhopal, Central Power Research Institute and Indian Institute of Science at Bangalore. World-renowned laboratories like KEMA, Holland, IREC, Canada, CESI, Italy, STRI, Sweden, ZKU, Czech Republic. Performance tests on HVDC insulators are done for ion migration, thermal runaway and pollution. BHEL's indigenously developed 500 kV HVDC insulators are used in 1,400 km long Talcher-Kolar line in India. BHEL's 320 kN and 420 kN insulators for use in the first 800 kV HVDC line have successfully passed the tests at STRI, Sweden. The president of STRI has the following to say on testing BHEL insulators. My colleagues and myself found the collaboration with BHEL during testing of insulators very professional. I have to congratulate BHEL having technically skilled and quality-minded engineers. Insulators on undergoing the rigorous tests are packed and shipped. BHEL has a major presence in the transmission line network in India, apart from its supplies to Afghanistan, to Turkey, UK. Wear out of components is a major problem in industries: power, steel, cement, coal. BHEL has a lasting solution to this problem: Ceralin. Developed in-house, Ceralin is a high alumina abrasion and erosion resistant material. Ceralin has served exceedingly well against high ash content coal of greater than 40% in thermal power stations, extending component life several-fold. Ceralin applications are in coal pulverizer components, bowl mills, ball tube mills, coal piping components from the pulverizer outlet to the boiler burner, Cerelin is manufactured using calcined alumina as a raw material. Spray-dried powder is compacted in hydraulic presses to form tiles, which are then fired in high-temperature kilns at around 1560 to 1600 degrees Celsius to obtain the required wear resistance characteristics. Cerelin tiles assembly is done using mortar, silicone adhesive or by weld-on technique. Fitment at site, assured performance and service in field, has also resulted in export to projects in China and Taiwan. Lasting solution provided by Cerelin has given the impetus to foray into new areas. Electrode used in the boiler drum water level monitoring device. Ceramic flow beams in Christmas tree valve. Isostatically pressed components. Selective catalytic reduction honeycomb substrates for NOx emission control in power plants. Ceramic membranes in the microfiltration range for industrial liquid filtration applications. Ceramic grinding media for special applications. A new product line introduced at Bhel is Composite Insulators for transmission and electric traction applications. The fiber reinforced rod is fixed with the metal fittings in crimping machines. Silicone sheds are formed by injection molding under vacuum. A sophisticated laboratory ensures the quality checks on the process. Composite insulators undergo rigorous electrical and mechanical performance tests for qualification. The processes and products are backed up by well-defined quality systems at EPD Bangalore and IP Jagdishpur, who have ISO 9001 accreditation by BVQI. Total quality management, Six Sigma and 5S concepts are being practiced. Bhel conducts regular training programs for its employees. Bhel's emphasis on health and safety of its employees, the surrounding environment, have been exemplified through the accreditation to ISO 14001 systems and OSAS 18001. The encouragement given to employees for constant improvement and innovation, recognition for the efforts has got accolades through various awards. The Ramakrishna Bajaj National Quality Award towards Business Excellence, National Safety Award, and many more. Looking ahead to the future to become a forerunner in developing new, cutting-edge technologies on nanomaterials, industrial filtration systems, is the ever-dedicated workforce of Bhel, with an urge to grow and a constant desire to achieve. Bhel, as a responsible corporate citizen, is contributing to the development of the society by adopting villages, providing educational facilities, conducting periodical medical camps around Bangalore and Jagdishpur, thus transforming the lives of villagers. Brightening lives, powering progress.